Every day, this factory consumes 20 tons of flour, 3,000 liters of water, and 200 kilograms of yeast.
Type 00 flour, purified water at 22 degrees, fresh compressed yeast, sea salt, and extra virgin olive oil. Minutes at slow speed, then 8 minutes at high. The gluten develops until the dough passes the window test. Stretch a piece thin enough to see light through it without tearing.
Proofing at 28 degrees for 90 minutes boiled. The yeast converts sugar into carbon dioxide, creating the air pockets that make the crust light and airy.
The divider cuts 200 grams per ball, accurate to plus or minus 3 grams. 1,500 dough balls per minute. Three roller stages collar, pressing the dough ball from a sphere to a flat 12-inch circle. Each stage reduces thickness from 200 grams of dough to a 30-centimeter circle in 3 seconds. The rollers apply exactly 4 kilograms of pressure.
Docking, 240 tiny pins pierce the dough base to release trapped air during baking. Without docking, the base would balloon into a giant air pocket.
Par baking at 300 degrees for 90 seconds lane, just enough to set the crust structure and create a moisture barrier. The base must be firm enough for sauce, but not fully baked.
90 seconds at 300 degrees Ho. The Maillard reaction creates the golden color and nutty flavor on the crust surface. The interior stays soft and slightly doughy.
The sauce kitchen plane, 500 liters per batch. San Marzano tomatoes, fresh garlic, oregano, basil, and a pinch of...
Over to Pusfy. San Marzano tomatoes from the volcanic soil of Mount Vesuvius. Sweeter, less acidic, and more intensely flavored than...
45 grams of sauce per pizza net, applied in a 3-ring spiral that covers 95% of the base within the crust rim. 5 tons of mozzarella per day, shredded fresh from 40 kilogram blocks. The cheese must be at 4 degrees for clean shredding.
120 grams of mozzarella bolibio, falling from the hopper like snow onto every pizza.
The cheese cascade, 120 grams in 1.5 seconds. Calibrated by weight cell to plus or minus 5 grams. The signature Domino's cheese blanket.
"21 pepperoni slices arranged in 3 concentric circles, 7 in the outer ring, 7 in the middle, 7 in the center. Every Domino's pepperoni pizza looks identical."
The final bake, 350 degrees for 4 minutes in a 60-meter tunnel oven. The cheese melts, the pepperoni curls. Four minutes and the pizza is perfect. Cheese melted and golden, pepperoni curled at the edges, crust risen and... The perfect pepperoni pizza, 21 slices on a blanket of melted mozzarella over San Marzano sauce on a golden parb.
The Spiral Freezer Urlo, minus 35 degrees for 20 minutes. Rapid freezing improves the cheese texture and
From 90 degrees to -8 in 20 minutes, the faster the freeze, the smaller the ice crystals. Small crystals preserve cell structure.
The Domino's box, corrugated cardboard with the iconic red and blue branding. Each frozen pizza placed precisely into its box, cooking instructions printed inside the lid.
The box protects the pizza during freezing, shipping, and storage for life, and serves as a visual promise at the supermarket.
"12 pizzas per case, 60 cases per pallet, 720 pizzas leaving the factory on every pallet.
Minus 20 degrees Gree, the frozen warehouse holds 1 million pizzas, organized by variety, production date, and destination, ready for supermarkets across the country.
The bake test. Every batch tested by baking a frozen pizza at the consumer's conditions. 220 degrees for 12 minutes.
The slice test, cheese stretch of at least 15 centimeters, crust crunch audible, no raw dough in the center, pepperoni evenly distributed.
"40 slices per second from the rotary slicer, each one 4.5 centimeters in diameter and 3 millimeters thick."
6 lines, 300,000 pizzas per day, monitored from one room. Exug, dough at 28 degrees.
Of the 4 cheese gauge dough, mozzarella for stretch, cheddar for sharpness, parmesan for umami, and gorgonzola for tang.
The Vegetable Kitchen U, 500 kilograms of bell peppers, 300 kilograms of mushrooms, 200 kilograms of onions, and 100 kilograms of olives sliced daily for the vegetable range.
Four hoppers, 4 vegetables bis, each one calibrated to dispense the exact weight per pizza. Bell pepper at 20 grams.
The meat room lid. Pork shoulder ground with fennel seed, red pepper flakes, garlic, and black pepper. The Italian sausage recipe that makes the meat lover's pizza unforgettable.
Every pizza weighed, 410 grams total for pepperoni. The check weigher processes 15,000 pizzas per hour and rejects any that vary by more than 15 grams.
The AI inspector. Cameras photograph every pizza from above, and software checks pepperoni count, spacing, cheese coverage, and...
Reject rate 0.8% rate. If the AI spots a pizza with fewer than 20 pepperoni slices, awesome. Shift change, court 150,000 pizzas since morning. Pepperoni, 4 cheese, vegetable, and meat lovers. The evening team continues with the overnight variants.
All right, everyone, 90,000 on the pepperoni line, 30,000 for the 4 cheese. Let's keep that momentum going through the next shift.
Sauce calibration every 4 hours. The nozzle flow rate is adjusted to maintain exactly 45 grams per pizza.
Three flour silos holding 60 tons each. Pneumatic conveying delivers flour directly to the mixer at 300 kilograms.
Fresh compressed yeast at 4 degrees to hopa, the living organism that creates the flavor and texture of the crust.
Water at exactly 22 degrees. Too cold slows fermentation. Too warm kills the yeast. Reverse osmosis purifies.
The night shift too. Same 300,000 pizzas, same precision. This factory never stops because supermarket freezers need constant restocking.
The night oven, 350 degrees, 6 meters of tunnel, 4 minutes per pizza. At midnight, the oven glows brighter against the dark factory.
The spiral freezer at midnight, 5 levels of spiraling conveyor, 20 minutes from 90 degrees to minus 18. 2,000 pizzas are inside the freezer at any moment.
4 ammonia compressors rig, 300 tons of refrigeration capacity, maintaining minus 35 in the spiral freezer.
Clean in place every 12 hours, 80-degree caustic wash through every sauce pipe, nozzle, and tank, followed by acid rinse and
Environmental monitoring. 30 swab points tested daily for Listeria, Salmonella, and E. coli. Zero tolerance for pathogens on any food contact surface.
Dough temperature tracked from mixer to sheeter, 23 degrees after mixing, 28 after proofing, 25. Extra virgin olive oil at 3% of the dough weight, providing moisture, elasticity, and the subtle fruity flavor that elevates the crust. Imported from Puglia, Italy. From flour to frozen pizza in 3 hours. Mixed, proofed, divided, sheeted, par-baked, sauce. One week of packaging, 300,000 flat box blanks, enough shrink film for 300,000 wraps, and 25,000 MasterCard.
Natural gas, 6 tunnel ovens each consuming 100 cubic meters per hour at 350 degrees. The uniform heat that bakes 300,000 pizzas identically.
Full traceability. Full traceability. Every pizza tracked to flour lot, sauce batch, cheese delivery, and oven number.
The taste panel. 8 experts rate every batch for crust crunch, cheese melt, sauce balance, pepperoni flavor, and overall satisfaction. The final human judgment.
Six lines, 300,000 pizzas per day, 100 million per year, from flour-mado to frozen dom.
The extensograph, measuring dough elasticity and resistance. The gluten must strengthen.
The spice blend theme. Dried oregano from Turkey, sweet basil from Egypt, garlic powder from California, and red pepper. San Marzano tomato paste at 28 bricks, imported from Campania, Italy. Every drum tested for color, acidity, and flavor before entering the sauce kitchen.
Garlic butter on the crust rim, a fine spray of garlic-infused olive oil before the final bake. The crust turns golden.
Temperature profiling premium. Thermocouples ride through the oven on a test pizza. The profile shows 300 degrees at entry.
The allergen zone died, physically separated equipment for gluten-free crusts. Clean room protocols prevent cross-contamination. A safe pizza for every consumer.
Gluten-free theme. Rice flour, tapioca starch, and potato starch. Different ingredients, same care. Every surface swab test.
Metal detection. Every boxed pizza scanned for ferrous metals above 1.5 millimeters and non-ferrous above 2 millimeters. The final physical safety check. Morning clean, mixer bowls scrubbed, conveyor belts sanitized, ovens burned clean at 400 degrees. 3 hours of preparation before the first dough is mixed.
The morning team, Talim, 250 workers. dough makers, bakers, toppers, packers.
First batch, 300 kilograms of flour, 180 liters of water at 22 degrees, 2.4 kilograms of yeast.
Peak production. All 6 lines creating 500 pizzas per minute. Dough becomes crust, crust becomes pizza.
Years mixing dough Pullman, she can tell by the sound when the gluten is developed. The mixer changes pitch when the dough reaches the window stage.
Twilight, 150,000 pizzas since morning. The evening team takes over, and the ovens keep glowing through the night.
The evening oven, 350 degrees, maintained 24 hours a day. The tunnel never cools because reheating 6 meters of oven takes 2 hours.
Midnight Mantico. The ovens glow against the dark factory. Flour is still becoming dough.
The 2 a.m. bake test. A frozen pizza from the nightline baked at consumer conditions. Cheese stretch, crust crunch, sauce flavor. Quality is verified around the clock.
Dawn's out, 300,000 pizzas completed overnight. Fresh flour loaded, new yeast opened, ovens still at 350. Today, 300,000 more.
Break time, 250 workers fueling themselves. From oven heat at 350 degrees to freezer cold at -35, the extremes of pizza production.
Afternoon dispatch, 15 frozen trucks loaded with 300,000 pizzas heading to supermarket distribution centers. -8 degrees from factory to freezer aisle. $20 tons of flour, 5 tons of mozzarella, 3 tons of tomato sauce.
From flour and water to frozen Domino's pizza. 22 operations per pizza. 300,000 times, every day.
Late afternoon, the counter keeps climbing. Every 5 seconds, a pizza is baked. Every 3 seconds, a pizza is...
Another day fades, but the ovens keep glowing. 300,000 pizzas today.
300,000 tomorrow.
The world's freezers need constant supply.
Six lines, 300,000 pizzas, 250 workers, mixing, proofing, sheeting.
From flour to frozen Domino's pizza in 3 hours. That's right. Mixed, proofed, sheeted, par-baked, sauce, cheesed.
300,000 pizzas every 24 hours, 100 million per year, 250 skilled workers, one extraordinary pizza factory.
The incredible Domino's Pizza Factory. Thank you for watching.